What is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today I have a favor I need from the Diecast community. So as you guys see here, everyone's probably seen this either on Instagram, Facebook, or even partially on YouTube. And this is a project I've been working on. Obviously, you can tell I've been doing some body work and stripping that paint. This car had 3 layers of paint. It was originally blue, door fell off, and then it was red, and then it was gold, as you guys probably saw online. And what I am doing here today, y'all, is I need a community favor. It's gonna be kind of a random favor, but it's kind of a favor I need for a friend. So the goal for this car is I want to put this together for a good friend for his birthday by August, and when I go back to school. And where I need you guys' help is I need help building this car, making it cool and customizing it like we all do. So my ask is, would you guys want to help? And if so, who would want to help? So if you guys want to be invested into this project, I would be greatly appreciated. And I would like to see what our creativity can be done on this vehicle. So what I was thinking is, okay, you know what, just taking that door off, taking both doors off, I guess, is freedom of creativity, and anyone can do anything to it. So if you want to cut the roof off, roof can get cut off. If you guys want to put custom tires on it, custom tires can be added to it. Whatever you want to do, I am okay with. I just want this to be a community build that can be shared with my friend. Also, with that said, when the car is done, or you're done with your portion, I have the base over in a box with a bunch of parts that can be used, but do not have to be used for the project. And I have one request. Can you guys please add your logo to the bottom of the car? That would be greatly appreciated. So, to clarify what I'm talking about here, I am calling out all diecast builders to help me finish this Mercedes. It's a big casting, there's a lot of coverage here, but I feel like if we can all come together and I can get 3 to 5 guys to help me out here, I'd greatly appreciate it. So if you guys do want to help me with this project, all you have to do is comment down below and I will get in contact with you as soon as possible. My goal is to get this car fully primered and sent out to the first person by this Friday. So please let me know. All right, guys. I greatly appreciate your guys' feedback and support as always. Thank you for stopping by the fish tank. And please, if you guys are interested in helping me out here, please let me know down in the comments below. The 3 to 4 people that, or even more, it could be even more, who want to help out, please let me know down in the comments and I will send you the full directions. Like I said, the goal is I want to customize this car as we would, and I want to make it known what we're doing here, if that makes sense. So if you guys want to help, please let me know and comment down below. All right, guys, so thank you for stopping by the fish tank as always, and I will see you in the next one. After this video, there will be another custom video later in the week. I promise this time. Bye, guys.